Attention! Watching this video is allowed only if you truly want to become a successful Forex trader. Traders Academy Club is not just about providing the best Forex education, practical strategies, and unique tools for traders of all levels. Our main goal is to transform individuals from the mindset of "I want to be a trader" to "I am a consistent, profitable trader." We will provide you with the ingredients you are missing, whether it is a top-rated Forex education, the best trading strategies, daily live trading rooms, and detailed market reports with trade setups. And the best part is that, as a member, you will get direct access to our traders chat group, where you can interact with Vladimir Ribakov, the trader and mentor behind Traders Academy Club, and with the other traders in our community. If you are willing to work to make your dreams happen, we will turn them into a reality for you. We welcome you to our Traders Academy Club family. Now, let me introduce Vladimir.
Hi, my name is Vladimir Ribakov, and I spent the last 7 years turning people into profitable traders. This is my passion, and I'm driven by the feedback and the results our members have achieved. I'm looking forward to turning you into profitable trader you will be once you join our family. I, my trading team, and all our members are looking forward to talking to you. See you inside.